Today, there was a catastrophic failure of a Vought petroleum pipeline, resulting in a significant amount of crude oil spilling into the Bering Sea. Sorry, I'm just shaking off a migraine. But your mind is still an open book, Chad. Yes, the spill was larger than Deepwater Horizon. Much larger. No, Jimmy, we don't know when the rupture will be sealed. I'm hearing weeks at least. And yes, this pipeline was Deep's baby. Rest assured, he's got the situation completely under control.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Jeremy? No! 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 Jeremy! No, he's not breathing. Jeremy? Jeremy? Can you hear me?
We know, Kevin. We know it was you.
Authorities are calling it the worst environmental disaster in U.S. history. An estimated 2.5 million gallons of crude oil have already...
Plenty of fish in the sea, bro.
But most of them are fucking dead.
You think a fish holocaust is funny, bro?
Yeah. Payback's a bitch, bitch.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means I flew up to Alaska, swam down in your dumb pipeline, and punched a hole in it. It wasn't even that hard. That shit is really poorly built.
What? Why?
You killed Adam Bork, so I killed a bunch of porpoises or whatever. Now we're even, Steven.
I killed one dude. You killed 1.4 billion fish, motherfucker!
One human being who was a national treasure, asshole, not just some stupid fish.
They were my friends.
Sucks to suck, dipshit.
Stop! Loser! Bro.
So let's record this stupid fucking thing.
You were never my bro. God.
Hey, some kid shit on the floor in the men's room again.
Terrific. Bubba, you might not remember, but we actually met back in the day. You must have been yay high, but you know what? I saw greatness in you, even then.
No, I don't remember that, Chad.
I did.
Oh.